Our mission at the DOE Oak Ridge Office of Environmental Management is to protect the region's health and environment, enable science and national security missions, and make clean land available for future use. Achieving this mission involves removing deteriorated infrastructure and environmental contaminants at the Y-12 National Security Complex, Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and East Tennessee Technology Park that date back to operations during the Manhattan Project and Cold War. Demolishing these facilities generates large amounts of debris and waste. We currently use an on-site disposal facility for most of this material, while sending the highly radioactive waste out of state for permanent disposal. On-site disposal is key to our success in Oak Ridge. The existing facility has been instrumental to the pace of cleanup, including becoming the first site to remove a former enrichment complex. The current facility, however, is nearing full capacity, while major cleanup at Y-12 and ORNL is just beginning. Those sites house the largest inventory of high-risk buildings in DOE's national complex. A new disposal complex, the Environmental Management Disposal Facility, is critical to maintaining progress and completing Oak Ridge's important cleanup. A new facility allows us to continue transforming Oak Ridge by removing deteriorating infrastructure that poses risks to the region and opening land the community can use for new economic development. This cleanup is essential in facilitating ongoing and future site missions. Safety is our highest priority, and we have worked extensively with the Environmental Protection Agency and the state of Tennessee for nearly a decade to ensure all elements of the proposed site and the facility's design protect human health and the environment. Part of that process involved identifying the most suitable site for the facility. We evaluated 16 locations across the 32,000-acre Oak Ridge Reservation, looking at geology, groundwater flow, and anticipated land use associated with each site. The selected site is approximately a mile from the nearest resident. The proposed facility will be separated by a tall ridge that directs groundwater away from those areas and provides a visual and noise barrier. We have operated the current disposal facility safely and without impacting employees or the community for nearly 20 years. Our skilled workforce and design will ensure the same is true for the new facility. We conduct regular monitoring that tracks employees moving the waste and current conditions in the surrounding air, water, and soil. We recently began taking additional steps by sampling fish in a creek downstream from the current disposal facility. The results from those samples are nearly identical to fish in other local streams. We will ensure EMDF is safe and protective by implementing strict rules on the type of waste that is allowed in the facility and incorporating engineering and design features that keep the waste isolated. EMDF's waste acceptance criteria will prohibit numerous forms of waste, including all highly radioactive material. We have and will continue to send that waste out of state for disposal. Our design for EMDF uses numerous engineering features to ensure waste remains isolated from the surrounding environment. Crews will construct 15 feet of protective liners and geological buffers before waste is placed in the facility. Once it is full, another 11 feet of clay, liners, cover soil, and grass will be placed over the waste. Together, these features are designed to isolate the waste from rain and groundwater and protecting the environment. Together with EPA and the state, we are committed to a science-driven approach and design that ensures a safe and protective facility. EMDF is a critical project for the future of Oak Ridge. It provides essential infrastructure to continue our cleanup that is transforming the region, eliminating risks, and benefiting the economy.